Hello guys, we are learning about Dev C++, how to download and install Dev C++. First of all, open your browser and search Dev C++. This is official website of Dev C++, bloodshed.net. Click on this. This is the official website of Dev C++. Scroll down. If you have Windows 7, Windows 8, 10 or 11, then you must download Dev C++, this version. Click on this. Now click on the download button and wait for downloading. The download start. In the download folder, you see this is Dev C++. Right click on the name and extract it to Dev C++ 3.6. Open this folder. Double click on the icon. Yes. Okay. Agree. Next. Install. Click on the finish. Next. Next. Okay. This is the interface of Dev C++. Now click on the new document if you want to create a new document. This is the interface of Dev C++.